Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is MI Focus Cube. In this video, you will see unboxing of this Focus Cube. Just now we have purchased this Focus Cube and it's look pretty. Let's unbox it. Inside the box there is a pack which contains the components of this MI cube. So all are in disassembled manner. You go to assemble it. It looks so nice. Let's take out the components. Just tear off the back. Wow, it's so cool. And there is user manual which contains the procedure on how to make this cube. So you have to assemble all components using the instructions given in the manual. We will also make a separate video on how to assemble MI Focus Cube. We have already assembled this Focus Cube. You are seeing the final look here. And the great news is we are going to give away this product to 5 persons. We have 5 units. 5 persons will be selected. What you have to do is just comment on this video and the best comment will be selected and awarded. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.